Good morning. This is Carlos Salicea with Mario Gutter Systems, here to demonstrate the roof snake. And I am going to attempt to remove a shingle and then replace it, remove it and reinstall it. Okay, cut. Once again, here Carlos Salicea with Mario Gutter Systems. I am attempting to remove this and reinstall it with this roof shank. In order to remove this shingle, I have to remove these nails that are on this shingle. Also, the shingle that is above it, adjacent to it, and a couple of nails on this one. So I'm about to attempt that now. You see how high I have to raise this shingle in order to see where my nail is, in order for me to remove it. Now I have to get underneath this shingle and remove this nail here. Okay, bring it here. Here's a gently assessment, and this nail already pulled through. As you can see, this nail, as soon as I put my roof snake in there, the nail popped through. Okay, and I'm going to go on to the second nail. Same thing, nail. All right, go. See, in order to get this nail that blew through my shingle, I have to lift my shingle up high enough to see it. In order to get to it, to approach. As soon as I did that, here, my nail head has been removed from the body of the nail. And here it is right there, okay? Another nail blown through my shingle as I pop it. I didn't even get my roof snake in here, and this nail has already popped through my shingle. Again, nail. Just putting my roof shank in there underneath the nail.
Cool.
Alright. Once again, another nail pops through my shingle as soon as I put my roof snake in there. And I'll just keep on attempting these nails. And also, I didn't even put my roof snake underneath this shingle. And the adhesive is not even attached to the shingle above and below. Another one. You notice I didn't attempt to remove this nail or this nail, and it's already loose. Okay, patio gutter system, Carlos Alicia again. Once here now, we're going to reinstall this shingle using the roof snake. And in order to install the nails, I have to put it in this slot here. Let's see, it's not sturdy. I have to nail this shingle and this shingle. And also not putting shingle nails back in the same location as the previous. And I have to lift the shingle up high enough where I can get the roof snake in there and keep the nail, keep the roof snake parallel to the see how it's not sturdy, it's kind of wobbly in order to use it. Still, the roof snake will only put the nail in so far, and it's also going at an angle towards the left. Now I have to use my hammer to lift the shingle up and pound the rest of the nail down. Shot of this here and bent my nail, just trying to keep it straight. In order to go and continue nailing it, I bent it. Okay, I pound this down to try to get it down. I'm running the shingle below it because I have to put the roof snake on its roof to get the final hit. So I'm discoloring and I'm ruining the shingle below it and two shingles, the one below it and the one even past that. But I also still got to get my hammer in there. Again, nails. This is just pulling my nail. Waste more nails than installing. I'm basically doing double work. Roof snake, I'm sorry, and again, damaging two shingles below the one I had just reinstalled. Now, I'm going to the right. Can't leave it like that. Again. Okay, here Carlos Alicia with Matthew Gutter System once again. I just demonstrated the roof snake on removing and reinstalling the shingle. Out of the 12 nails that I installed on both shingles, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 nails that bent as using this tool. And also, it doesn't put this nail completely down, so I still have to lift the shingle up and use my hammer to finalize the nail. Okay. Starting again. Once again, second nail. And I can't leave like that. I can't pound it down like that. So, this is an unstable tool here. Try to get these nails in place, position. I go again. Still wants to go to the left. I'll adjust it. First attempt to hit the roof snake, and my nail goes to the left. Still going to the left. As much as I try to keep it straight and from bouncing so much, I still got to get my hammer in there. Pound it all the way down. You cannot leave a nail partially up. It'll ruin the shingle above it. Cut.